Hi, everyone, and welcome to another live trading series. It's been about a month since I released one of these. I'm very busy. I'm very behind on everything, but I have a few trades that I want to show you. I've been trying to switch my account from Questrade to Interactive Brokers, so I wasn't trading because I need to pause my account so they could transfer everything. But then my request got rejected because my options were too close to expiration. So now I have to do it all over again, but I might wait for a little bit. Before I get into it, if you're interested in talking to another, let's say 83 members. How many members do I have? I have 83 total members about options trading or maybe just Canadian finance. You can join my Discord server. The link is to a Patreon. It's $5 a month. We have around 83 members in there. A lot of them are beginners. I'll say 80 are beginners and then 3 are expert level, a little more advanced than myself. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you what I'm doing on, so let's say how to buy these shorts on Interactive Brokers, because that's where I'll be switching. I'll leave a link to Interactive Brokers if you're interested in checking it out. And then I'll also be buying it on Questrade. So I'm going to be shorting the S&P 500. Right now, I have my technical analysis here, which is pretty much like astrology for men. SPY hit a high December 31st, 2021, and it's been doing lower highs and lower lows ever since. And I do think it's going to continue this pattern. Right now, we are, okay, I don't know how accurate my charting would be, but I know you're supposed to try to make the bottom part touch as many lines as possible. So I do think we're going to hit, let's say 400 and then drop back down. So I'm going to be buying options 3 months out and then 6 months out just to give me some time. I don't like buying short-term options because you have to be too correct. You have to be correct in terms of direction and magnitude. I know the direction. I feel like SPY will go down. I just need to be correct on the magnitude. So that's why I'm buying March and June. And I'll show you how to do that here. So if you're in Interactive Brokers, let's say you're on this homepage. I'm in my paper trading account. You want to type in SPY. And then you want to make sure you don't go ASX. That's the Australian exchange. So I'll go to this one. And then you'll notice 397. It matches what's here, the S&P 500. And you want to click on options chain because I'm not just shorting the shares. I just want to buy options. So what I will be doing is I will be buying the 390 puts, which is $923 per contract, and I'll be buying 15. I'm leaving myself enough money to buy 30 total if I need to double down if SPY keeps going up, which I think it will. So you can load it up here, and then on your order, you can type in 15, and it'll have your order up here. And I hope they have like a preview. Is there a preview button? Let's say if I order, instead of selling submit order, oh, why did it do that? Quantity, 15. I don't want to sell, I want to buy. So I want to buy 15 SPY puts. I'll just do market, time force for the day. Let me preview it. It should say a debit. So buy 15 SPY for about 13,300 US market day. This is what I'm going to do. Equity won, equity lost. That's fine. Override and transmit. Interesting, whatever that means. So I'm going to be doing this. Your order has been filled. Now, if you're wondering what price am I aiming for, what is my break even? It's pretty simple. So you'll just go 390 minus 924. So on March 17th, oh, I should have told you which ones I picked. I picked the March, which is the monthly expiration. So on March 17th, if SPY is 380.76, I will be breaking even on my options. If it is 381, I'll be losing. 382, I'll be losing. If it's under, so if it's 379, I will be making money. So this is the option. This is the amount I'm hoping to aim for, and to give myself a little more time. Done. In order to give myself a little more time, how do I get this out of the way? So if I want to move, oh, there we go. So I will be going, instead of focusing on the weeklies, you'll notice the weeklies have the W. I'll be focusing on the monthly. So I'm going another 3 months out, so April, May, June, and I'll be buying the 385s just because it's a little cheaper. 390s. Oh, that's interesting. It's not that much cheaper if I do 1,600 per contract. How much would I be saving? So this 390 at 16, 390 minus 16, I would need SPY to be 374. Then I have another 3 months for it to do that. So I'll probably be closing these earlier. Oh, I know what I did wrong initially. So if you click on the bid, you're selling. If you click on the ask, you're buying. So I will buy here and I'll order. So I'm going to submit another 15 to buy. Is that what it says? Buy one SPY. Oh, wow. It has these loaded up from previous. I don't want a combo. So I will X. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to buy. Sorry, I'm learning on the fly here. 15. Market. Let me preview before I submit. So it says buy 15 SPY for about 23,500 US. Yes. Now, does it have the exact date? Does it tell me which date I'm doing? Where is my date? June 23rd, 390 SPY put. I think I'm going to be doing this. So what is that? 38,000 US. Your order has been filled. Submit. Okay, and I'll be doing this on Questrade. On Questrade, a little prettier. So I have it lined up. You just type in SPY, and then you can choose the date you want up here. So I chose March. And then I can show you how much I'd be losing per month due to theta, per day due to theta. So if I go to 390? So I'd be losing 0.1. So it's about $1 a day. And then this will obviously accelerate the closer we get to expiration. So it is the 40 delta. I'm not really focusing on delta for now. So this is mainly my magical technical analysis play. So I'm going to be doing 15. I will buy. It's costing around the same, $13,425. So I will be buying that. Buy to open. Let's do it. And then I will be doing the June. So we'll find June 16th, 2023. Let me see the price difference. If there's any price difference here. So let's say 390. Where is it? Around 15. So it is pretty expensive. The difference for me going a little safer, I'm not saving that much money. So 5 strikes, it's only like $100, $150 savings. So what I'm going to do, click here. I will do another 15. Let's see how expensive it is. We'll do market. I will buy. And this is $24,000, 23,000, around 23,500 US dollars. So I'm buying 15 SPY puts. Hopefully SPY goes down, which is what I'm predicting. And then if it doesn't, I will double down. I will buy more. We're entering a recession. I feel like we should be going down. This is what I'm planning for. My break even for this, you'll do 390 minus 1563. So I'm looking at 374. Let me submit that order. If we focus on some other items, I do have a Tesla covered call, and I will be rolling it out another month. I do have some NVIDIA shorts that I have, and I might close them out now. I might close them out a little later. Let me see if I could play around with some of these NVIDIA shorts. I don't know if that's necessary for this video. I might leave that for another video, but hopefully I can start filming more interactive brokers trading videos instead of Questrade, because I'm trying to switch over. So I think I'm going to leave it here. This is a short video just on how to short using the S&P 500. And if you want to follow along, if you see SPY going up, it means I'm losing money and I'm very unhappy. If you see SPY going down, then I think I've made the right play. So obviously this isn't 100% accurate predictor. I do think we will hit a top. We'll come back down. I wanted to short SPY when it was at like close to 410 last time, and then it went to 376. So if I could do the same, I'm not going to be holding for the whole duration. I'll probably be closing out a little early. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and tune into the next one.